Hi, I'm here to talk to you today about the Tera model D6100 device. It's a barcode scanner that has an on-off switch. Supports several features. 2D, 1D barcode, it has a battery indicator, and it supports wired, wireless, and Bluetooth. So we'll unbox it here. First off, there's a stand assembly. Um, We've got this little tube here that the tube goes inside, two screws. One screw mounts to the base plate. The other screw is what attaches this top part. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we also have videos showing that. It comes with a USB cable. I've already got one here. That's USB to USB-C on this model. So there's some advantages with newer technology. Here's the base itself. It comes apart in two sections, and it's how you attach the other part of the base assembly. Um, Next, the user manual. And some of the devices have a slot in one way or another for the 2.4 for this device. It's actually in a little blue colored bag, almost like a wireless mouse or keyboard. The dongle is here. So quickly we're going to show off the device. You can see the label there and the indicator. You have the action button here where it indicates status and results. Also lights up when it's being plugged into charging, and the four levels from 25, 50, 75 to 100.